Hey everyone! Your homepage banner or hero image is the digital storefront window of your brand. With most themes now favoring high-resolution displays, getting the dimensions right ensures your site looks professional on both 5K monitors and the latest smartphones without losing speed. Step 1. Choose the right dimensions. We are starting with image preparation. We do this because uploading a random photo size will lead to awkward cropping or blurry results. For 2026, the industry standard for a full-width banner is 1920 by 1080 pixels, 16:9 aspect ratio. If you use a theme like Dawn that allows for a separate mobile image, aim for 750 by 1100 pixels. Save your file as a WebP or JPG at 72 dpi. Keep the file size under 1 megabyte to ensure your site loads fast enough for Google's 2026 Core Web Vitals. Step 2. Upload and edit in the Theme Customizer. Now we are moving to the online store editor. We do this to see exactly how the image interacts with your text and buttons in real time. Go to Online Store and then Themes and click Customize. Click on the Image Banner section in the left-hand sidebar. Click Select Image and upload your prepared file. Once uploaded, use the Focal Point tool to drag the dot to the most important part of the photo. This ensures that part stays visible when the screen shrinks for mobile users. Step 3. Refine the image overlay and layout. We're finishing with the visual styling. This step ensures your marketing message is actually readable against the background image. Adjust the image overlay opacity. Aim for 20 to 40% to make your white text pop. Choose your desktop content position. If your image has a hero person on the left, move your text to the right to keep the composition balanced. Toggle the mobile view icon at the top of the screen. If the text covers too much of the image, adjust the mobile content alignment settings until it looks perfect. If the banner looks too tall or the text is too small, look for the banner height setting and try Adapt to First Image. This forces the banner to maintain its original proportions so it doesn't crop weirdly on iPhones or Androids. It's all about readability and composition, because a beautiful image is useless if your customers can't read your Shop Now button or your headline. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.